Sure. Here are some healthy and easy-to-make smoothie recipes you can try at home. Cracker 1. Green Detox Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1-2 cucumber, sliced, 1 green apple, cored and chopped. Berry banana smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1-2 cup strawberries, 1-2 cup blueberries, 1-2 cup raspberries, 1 cup almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, optional. Tropical mango smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup mango chunks, fresh or frozen, 1-2 cup pineapple chunks, fresh or frozen, 1 banana, 1 cup coconut milk or any milk of your choice, 1-2 cup orange juice, or peanut butter. Banana smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 cup almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon honey, optional, 1-2 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Avocado spinach smoothie. Ingredients: 1-2 avocado, 1 cup spinach, 1 banana, 1-2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup water or almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey. Berry beet smoothie. Ingredients: 1 small beet, peeled and chopped, 1-2 cup strawberries, 1-2 cup raspberries, 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Oatmeal breakfast smoothie. Ingredients: 1-2 cup rolled oats, 1 banana, 1-2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon honey, optional, 1-2 teaspoon cinnamon. Pineapple kale smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup kale leaves, stems removed, 1-2 cup pineapple chunks, fresh or frozen, 1 banana, 1-2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup water or coconut water. 1. Place all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. 3. Serve immediately. These smoothies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a great addition to your healthy eating plan.